derivatives. In order to find the derivative of x, first let's see the general of the derivative. F derivative at x naught equals to lim of x goes to x naught. F at x minus f at x naught over x minus x naught. This implies f derivative at x naught, f derivative at x naught equals lim of x goes to x naught. That means 2. F at x is equals to 3x minus 1 minus f at x naught is equals to 3 times 2 minus 1 the whole over 2 the whole over x minus x naught 2. This gives us lim of x goes to 2 3x minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 5 over x minus 2. This equals lim of x goes to x 2 3x minus 6 over x minus 2. In the numerator 3 is common, therefore lim of x goes to 2 and 3x minus 6 over x minus 2 means that this is equal to lim of 3 into x minus lim of x goes to 2 3 into x minus 2 over x minus 2. X minus 2 is a common for both denominator and numerator. We can cancel each other. This gives us lim of x goes to 2 is equal to 3. In this sense, the lim of constant number is equal to that constant number. Therefore, because lim of constant number for x goes to any number or c and children is equals to 3.